Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you how to activate and edit your screen lock. Why do you need a screen lock? Well, if you have it just like I have it here and a thief finds my mobile phone and just swipes and okay, now all my data is lost because the thief can use now all my data. It would be great if we have a kind of security so that not everybody can use my phone. Well, that's pretty easy. All we have to do is to go to the settings, and when you are in your settings, then we go little bit down until we are here at passwords and security. I click on passwords and security, and here we have the screen lock. And you see we have three different methods. We have the pattern, we have the PIN, and the password. The pattern is draw a simple pattern with your finger to unlock the device. The PIN is enter 4 to 16 numbers to unlock the device, and the password is enter 4 or more letters or numbers to unlock the device. So let's start with the pattern. Remember your password, remember your lock screen password. If you forget it, then you have a problem. Okay, got it. And then I can draw a pattern. Okay, now I'm drawing here a snake, and then I'm confirming this snake, and my pattern is done. And we can add here a fingerprint as well, but at this moment we won't do it. We will do this in another video. Okay, so I click on cancel, and now my screen lock is on. And now when I want to access my device, I have to draw this pattern, and if I draw the wrong pattern, I won't get in my device. Okay, so I am drawing this pattern. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, check. Okay, so now I'm in my device. Okay, this is the first method. Okay, so when we want to change this, we can go to PIN. Remember your password, it's the same again. We have to wait a few seconds and then enter 4 to 16 digits. Okay, so I just type in 4 times 0, continue, 4 times 0, okay, and then now what will happen? I swipe up, and now I have to write in the PIN, and when I write down the wrong PIN, I don't get in my device. So 4 times 0, all right. So screen lock, and now we look at the third method. It's a password. Okay, so again, remember your password, and okay, we got it. And then you will see you can type everything. Okay, you can have special characters, you have numbers, you have all you want to have. But this is the most secure way to secure, of course, your mobile phone, but I won't recommend it to you. Why? Because every time you want to access your phone, you have to type in this complicated password, okay? And this will get on your nerves, so don't use it. I would recommend to use the PIN, because the pattern has a problem. If you draw your snake the whole time, after a while you will see this on your device here when it's turned off. So a thief might look how you draw this, and then he can try to draw this as well. So I would recommend just to use the PIN, and you can choose from 4 to 16 different digits. And then your screen is safe, and your mobile phone is safe, and nobody can use it. They can use it only if they have the right PIN. Yes, I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.